In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first project in Lovable, a thoughtful and engaging tool for project creation. Whether you're new to digital project management or looking to enhance your workflow, Lovable makes the process user-friendly and efficient. Let's dive in and explore the steps to get your first project up and running. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Lovable website. Type in lovable.dev in the address bar and hit enter. You'll be greeted with a clean and intuitive interface designed to help you make the most of your project development. If you're not already logged in, now would be a great time to sign in with your credentials, or you might need to sign up if you're new to the platform. Once you've accessed the homepage, it's time to bring your ideas to life. Here, you will notice a space labeled prompt. This is where you can get creative and type in the details or concepts you have in mind for your project. Feel free to articulate your thoughts succinctly. Remember, clear and concise communication is key to effective project management. After detailing your project prompt, turn your attention to the small arrow pointing upwards, often referred to as the submit or enter button. Clicking this will process your input and move you forward in the project setup journey. Lovable will then generate an initial structure based on the information you provided, giving you a base to work from. Next comes the exciting part, publishing your project. Look for the button labeled Publish and give it a click. This action transitions your project from an idea into something tangible and shareable. However, before you move on, you'll need to give your project a name that reflects its purpose or theme accurately. This not only helps you stay organized, but also makes it easier for collaborators or clients to understand what your project is about at a glance. If at any point you decide that a different name would be more fitting, Lovable offers a straightforward option to rename your project. Simply click on Rename Project to adjust the title to something that better encapsulates your vision. With your project published and appropriately titled, the final touch is sharing it with your team or anyone who might benefit from the information. Locate the copy link button, click it, and your project's link will be instantly copied to your clipboard, ready for you to paste and share in emails, messages, or any other communication tool you're using. And there you have it. Your first project in Lovable is now live, ready to collaborate and inspire. I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful in getting you started on this versatile platform. Don't forget to explore other features Lovable offers to further enhance your project management experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.